The EarlyVue VS30 Vital Signs Monitor supports single sign-on, or SSO. Using SSO streamlines the login process and optimizes the safe use of your monitor and its performance. You can use SSO in all instances where your organization's workflow requires you to log on to the VS30 device. This includes instances when you log on as an operator to begin taking vitals, or as a validator to review and validate stored pending records on the VS30. Activating SSO on your device requires you to use an RFID badge and reader. When you tap your RFID badge to the reader, the operator login screen appears. If your organization requires a password, type your password into the password field. Then select Log On. The VS30 communicates with your organization's information system to authenticate your credentials. This ensures only authorized operators can access patient information. For workflows which require an authorized user to validate pending patient records, select Records. When you select Records, the validator login screen displays. Tap your RFID badge to the reader and enter your password if required. Then select Log On. Please note that you must log on as a validator in order to validate pending patient records. This remains true even if an operator is logged in and is the same person as the authorized user. Your username displays within the Pending Records tab. From this tab, you can validate, edit or delete pending patient records, validate clinically relevant pending patient records. You also have the option to edit or delete other patient records by selecting each individual record and then selecting the appropriate command. Once you have completed your vital sign collection on a patient, ensure that you log off the VS30 by selecting the drop-down arrow next to User, then select Log Off.
Philips.